Energy sector player Hasman Technical Services is providing a 100,000 cedi support for the Noguchi Memorial Institute for Medical Research to build its capacity in the fight against the deadly coronavirus. Managing Director William Odro believes supporting the research institute will go a long way to keep the country ahead in fighting other infectious diseases. Here's more in this report.
The donation follows calls by the Institute to the private sector to support its efforts in finding a solution to deadly diseases in the country. Managing Director of Hasman Technical Services, William Odro, expressed confidence that the work done by Noguchi in these critical times is very important and needs more support.
Look at if Noguchi Memorial Institute was not here in Ghana. If Noguchi was not here in Ghana, we would be taking samples and we may have to take them out of the country. If you consider a pandemic situation that the whole global event is right now, we may have to take samples out and be in queue in somewhere in another country, right? Okay, we may have to take samples and be out in queue, you know. And so if you consider from March, you know, just last month, March, when we got our first case of COVID-19 and the anxiety in the crowd, in the Ghanaian public, and we were lucky to have an institute like Noguchi to be able to, you know, analyze and tell us what the results were. I mean, that's just reassuring. So we want to be able to help them to grow and to do more research into the medical.
Director of the Institute, Professor Abraham Kwabena Anang, has been explaining to Joy Business that the capacity building of its staff is very critical since the outbreak of the pandemic has increased its activities.
When these kind of global health emergencies like COVID-19 comes about, the Institute is able to very quickly put itself in the front line and provide critical services. In this case, for example, the testing services. And as we do that, the Institute has already established a tradition based on its mandate. You see, our mandate is threefold. First, to conduct research into infectious and non-infectious diseases. Any research into any disease of public health importance is included. Second, we build capacity through training, especially training the next generation of scientists, and also the capacity of health professionals, like the Ghana Health Service.
The 100,000 cedi donation is part of many support offered by the private sector to aid in the fight against COVID-19.